Today, the angels bring a powerful message that will touch your heart deeply. They are by your side, whispering truths that you may have already felt but now need to come to light. There is someone in your life who, despite all efforts, can no longer hide what they feel for you. This love is so deep and intense that it overflows, even if this person tries to control it. Now, the angels want you to be prepared for the revelation of a secret that could change everything. This person, despite trying to resist, has been in an internal conflict for some time. They've tried to hide their feelings, suppressing their emotions, but love is an unstoppable force. It's like trying to hold back the sea with your hands. Inevitably, it overflows and finds its way. And that's what's happening now. The angels show that this person is on the verge of a crucial moment, where everything that has been kept secret will begin to unfold. The signs are everywhere. Maybe you've already noticed some different behaviors, like longer gazes, unsaid words that seem to carry immense weight, or even moments where the silence between you speaks louder than any conversation. This is the kind of love that's so strong, begins to break the barriers this person has built around themselves. The angels show that this person has fought hard not to fully surrender, but the heart speaks louder, and now, this feeling is about to be revealed. But why was this secret kept for so long? The angels explain that this person carries deep fears and insecurities, and these feelings created a barrier between what they feel for you and the courage to express it openly. They fear the consequences, the changes this love might bring, and above all, they fear being vulnerable. For them, admitting this love means letting go of control and exposing themselves in a way they perhaps never have before. However, the angels are working behind the scenes, helping this person deal with these feelings and paving the way for a confession that's coming. You need to be prepared for this revelation, as it may come unexpectedly, at a moment when you least expect it. But know that everything is happening at the right time. The angels want you to receive this truth with an open heart, without judgment or fear. The love this person feels for you is true, deep, and authentic. And now that they can no longer hide it, the universe is orchestrating for this revelation to happen at the perfect moment, in a way that will bring clarity and perhaps a new phase to your life. This journey hasn't been easy for either of you. There have been moments of uncertainty, doubt, and perhaps even pain. But the angels want you to know that nothing was in vain. Every step you took together, every moment, even those when there seemed to be distance, was part of a bigger plan, a divine plan aimed at bringing healing and unity. Now more than ever, it's time to trust the process, to believe that what's about to happen will bring powerful transformation in your life and in this person's life. The angels ask that you keep the faith and stay calm. This is a delicate moment, where love needs space to blossom without pressure or expectations. Let things unfold naturally, because when this person finally opens their heart, it will be one of the most profound and transformative experiences you've ever had. This love has the power to heal old wounds, to transform not only your relationship but also the way both of you see life and the future. You are about to discover something that goes beyond words, something that can only be understood with the heart. The love this person feels for you is not a passing emotion. It is a force that has been growing over time, nurtured by every gesture, every shared glance, every moment of silence. And now, the time has come when this person can no longer ignore what they feel. The angels show that this revelation is inevitable, and you, dear soul, must be ready to receive it. This person has been constantly battling between fear and love. On one side, there's the fear of getting hurt, of losing control, of facing the changes this love will bring. On the other, there is the love for you, a feeling so strong that, even in the face of all their insecurities, continues to grow. The angels are working to clear these doubts, bringing clarity and peace to this person's heart, so they can finally surrender to what they feel and share it with you. Get ready, because what comes next is a revelation that could change everything. When this person finally opens up, you will understand the depth of the love that has always been there, hidden, but present in every gesture, in every unspoken word. The angels are by your side, guiding every step, ensuring that you are in the right place, at the right time, to receive this confession. And when it happens, it will feel like a new chapter is beginning, full of possibilities, healing, and growth for both of you. Now that you are more aware of this truth, the angels wish for you to continue trusting in the divine process that is unfolding. There is an exact moment for everything, and every feeling, no matter how deep and silent it has been, was part of a greater plan designed to bring about evolution and transformation. This person you hold so dear is undergoing an internal liberation process, where the masks that have long hidden their feelings are falling one by one. The angels reveal that while this person struggled against their feelings, the love continued to grow, creating roots so deep that it is now impossible to ignore. There is a divine force that unites you, a connection that transcends time and space. And even though this person's fears spoke louder at many points, this connection silently grew stronger. Now, everything is aligning so that the truth may finally be revealed. Perhaps you've recently felt this person's presence more intensely. It's as if, even at a distance or in silence, there was a palpable energy between you, a kind of synchronicity that can't be explained merely with words. This, dear soul, is the reflection of what is to come. The angels show that this person is becoming increasingly aware of what they feel for you, and even though there is still fear, the desire to share this truth with you is becoming uncontrollable. This revelation process isn't just about confessing love. It's much deeper. It involves overcoming old fears, healing wounds this person has carried for a long time, and accepting that love, above all, is an act of courage. Loving you requires this person to abandon all old defenses, to leave behind the walls they've built around their heart. And this, the angels affirm, is already happening. The angels want you to know that despite all the pain and uncertainty, you have always been a guiding light for this person. Even in the darkest moments, your presence has been a source of inspiration and healing. And that is why now, with a more open and vulnerable heart, this person can no longer run from the truth. What they feel for you is real, immense, and above all, impossible to ignore. However, it's important for you to be ready to receive this confession with a heart full of compassion. The angels ask that you don't judge the time it took for this person to open up. Everyone has their own rhythm, their internal battles, and the fact that they are now ready to share this with you is an immense act of courage. They needed time to heal, to understand what they truly feel, and most importantly, to accept what this love means for their lives. You, dear soul, are the central piece of this transformation. The angels show that without your love, without your light, this person might never have had the courage to face their own fears. But the love you radiated, even without knowing it, was enough to break down the barriers they had built around their heart. And now, with each passing day, this truth becomes impossible to hide. The angels want you to also allow yourself to feel the power of this connection. There is nothing wrong with acknowledging how important this person is to you, in accepting that what you share is something unique, rare, and deeply spiritual. Many times, we let our own fears cloud the path, but the angels are here to ensure you know that you are on the right path, that this love has a higher purpose, and that now is the time to trust fully in this process. Every gesture, every word, every silence between you has been part of a divine plan. It wasn't by chance that your paths crossed. It wasn't by chance that this person entered your life with such force. The angels reveal that you two are connected by something much greater, something that transcends this life and extends beyond what the eyes can see. This is a union of souls that, even in the face of all challenges, continues to grow stronger. And now, as this person prepares to reveal their feelings, the angels ask you to stand firm in your faith. What's to come will require patience, understanding, and above all, an open heart. This person will not only confess their love for you, but they will also share their fears, insecurities, and everything that has kept them from opening up before. It will be a moment of healing for both of you, a moment where the truth will finally come to light. The angels show that this revelation will bring a new phase to your life. It's as if a cycle is closing to begin a new chapter, where love, understanding, and unity will be the pillars. But for that to happen, it's important for you to be ready to accept this truth with all your heart. Don't be afraid of what's to come, for the angels are guiding every step of this path, and they assure you that everything is unfolding as it should. Now, dear soul, it's time to take a deep breath and allow love to flow. There is no longer any need to resist, to fear, or to hide. What this person feels for you is real, and soon, you will have the confirmation your heart has sensed for so long. The angels are by your side, holding your hand as you prepare to receive this secret revelation that will change everything. As this person comes closer to revealing what they hold in their heart, the angels show that you too are undergoing a transformation process. Your journey of waiting and patience has not been in vain. Every moment of doubt, every time your heart was filled with questions, was part of a greater path, where you were also being prepared to receive this confession of love. This is the moment when everything begins to make sense, when every piece of this puzzle finally fits together. The angels want you to know that the revelation to come will not only bring answers about what this person feels, but will also offer a new understanding of yourself. After all, the love you radiated, even in the most silent moments, had a transformative impact, not only on this person's life but also on your own. You were a light on this path, and now, this light returns to you in the form of answers, clarity, and a deep connection. This person is at a crucial moment of self-discovery. The angels reveal that for a long time, they tried to stay in control, believing they could continue with life without admitting what they feel for you. But the universe has its own plans, and every attempt at control weakened, leading them to the point where they find themselves now, ready to accept the love they carry inside. The angels say that this revelation will not only be a relief for this person, but also for you. Finally, that feeling of uncertainty, that sense of something unresolved, will dissipate. The truth will come out, and with it, a new phase will begin. But for this to happen in the fullest way possible, you will need to receive this revelation with an open heart, without bitterness for the time it took or for the moments of silence that may have caused pain. The truth is, this person has suffered too. Even trying to hide what they felt, the love they have for you only grew, creating an inner turmoil that, little by little, became impossible to bear alone. The angels show that, in several moments, this person thought about giving up, about moving forward without revealing what they felt. But something bigger always pulled them back. This something is the connection you share, a bond so strong and deep that it transcends any attempt to break it. What you are about to hear will bring clarity to many of the moments of doubt you've experienced. This person will talk about their fears, about the reasons why they hesitated so long to open up. They will share their insecurities, their fear of not being enough, or perhaps, that the love they felt wouldn't be reciprocated in the way they hoped. But at the same time, the angels show that this revelation will also be filled with sincerity and tenderness that will melt any resistance you might still have. You have been patient, and now your patience will be rewarded. This moment of revelation will be the beginning of a new journey, a journey where love can blossom without the barriers that once existed. This person will finally be ready to build something real and deep with you, something that goes beyond words and promises. It will be a true connection, where both of you are ready to be completely vulnerable and authentic with each other. The angels ask that you prepare emotionally, because what comes next may be intense. Emotions will be running high, both for you and for this person. And it is important that you stay calm, offering the same love and understanding that you always had, even in the most difficult moments. This is the time to embrace what is coming, to open your heart to the new and to the possibility of an even stronger and deeper love. This journey has been marked by challenges, yes, but also by lessons that have strengthened you both. Now you are ready to take the next step, to start a new phase that will be built on the solid foundation of everything you've lived through together until now. And the angels assure that, despite any uncertainty, this is the right path. You were destined to find each other, and this love, which was hidden for so long, will now be the force that unites you even more powerfully. The angels want you to trust what's to come. Everything that has happened up until now, all the twists and uncertainties, was part of a greater plan. Nothing was in vain. Every moment of waiting, every painful silence, every doubt was preparing the way for this revelation. Now the moment has finally arrived, and you are ready to receive it with an open heart, with all the strength and faith the angels always knew you had. This revelation will be a turning point in your life. What once seemed confusing, what once seemed uncertain, will now have clarity. This is the moment to welcome what the angels have prepared for you, to open your arms to this new phase that is coming. The love this person feels for you, which was hidden for so long, will now be revealed in all its intensity. And when it happens, it will feel as if a new world has opened up before you. You, dear soul, deserve all this love. The angels show that you were chosen to be this person's guide, to help them overcome their fears, to bring light to their darkest days. And now, the time has come to receive the reward for all that love, for all that patience. When this person finally opens up, you will understand why you went through everything you did. And it will be a moment of deep joy, healing, and an even stronger union. Now that the moment of revelation is approaching, the angels ask that you be completely open to what is coming. This is a time of healing, reconciliation, and new beginnings. Everything that was kept in this person's heart will finally be shared, and you will be able to feel the depth of what this love truly means. The angels assure that, as difficult as the wait has been, the reward is equal to everything you've gone through. The connection you share is special, and now, this bond will become even stronger and clearer than ever before. When this person finally opens up, you will see that the love they feel is more than just a simple emotion. It is a powerful energy that transcends any obstacle or doubt. This love has deep roots, and now it is ready to blossom with all its strength. The angels ask you to trust this process, as it has been carefully guided by the universe, and everything is unfolding just as it should. This person carries with them emotional scars that may have been invisible to you until now. old wounds, fears, and insecurities that have kept this love from being fully lived. But the angels show that now, more than ever, this person is ready to break free from these chains. The love they feel for you has been the key to this liberation, and with your help, with your light, they will finally be able to open up in a true and complete way. The angels want you to know that although this process may be intense, it will also be deeply transformative. This revelation will mark the beginning of a new chapter in both your lives, a chapter where love will be lived fully, without the shadows of fear or insecurity. This is the time to leave behind everything that once prevented this connection from growing, and to embrace a future full of love and understanding. Now, the angels ask that you remain patient and trusting. They are working behind the scenes, taking care of every detail so that this revelation happens in the best possible way. When this moment arrives, you will need to be fully present, body and soul, ready to listen, to understand, and to accept this confession with all the love you have inside you. The angels reveal that this love, which has been hidden for so long, is a gift from the universe. You were chosen to live it, to share it, and to receive all that it has to offer. This connection is rare, it is precious, and now it is ready to manifest in a complete and true way. When this person finally opens up, it will feel as if a weight has been lifted off their shoulders, and together, you'll be able to start a new journey, free from any doubt or fear. The truth is, the love this person feels for you was never just a fleeting feeling. From the beginning, the angels show that this love had a greater purpose, a deep meaning. The two of you were destined to find each other, to live this story together, and now, finally, everything is aligning for that to happen. This revelation will be the doorway to a new phase, where you will be able to fully live the love you've both been waiting for. The angels ask that you continue to trust. Everything you've been through up until now has been preparing you for this moment. Every tear, every doubt, every silence was part of a greater plan. And now, the universe is ready to reward you for all the patience and love you've shown. When this person finally shares what they feel, you will know, without a shadow of a doubt, that everything you went through was worth it. This is the moment to believe in the power of love. The angels are by your side, guiding every step, and they assure you that what's coming will be even more beautiful than you imagined. You deserve all the love that is about to come your way, and now finally, it will come to you in a complete, true, and deep way. The angels ask that you be ready to embrace this new phase, with a heart full of hope, joy, and an unwavering certainty that the best is yet to come. The love this person feels for you, which once seemed impossible to reveal, will now be shared. And when that happens, it will feel like a new world is opening up before you. The two of you are ready to live this love story with all the intensity it deserves, and the angels will be by your side, guiding and protecting this path. Believe, dear soul, love always finds a way, and now, the time has come to live this truth. The angels end this message with a special blessing for your heart. They ask that you continue to trust, to keep the faith, and to open your arms to receive everything that is to come. This is a moment of healing, of love, and of deep union. Get ready, because this revelation will bring a wonderful transformation to your life, and the two of you will be ready to live this love in its purest and truest form.